Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video daily. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel right here. Give this video a thumbs up and share my video. Today we're gonna talk about skincare for 40 plus, but anybody can use really. We're gonna focus on how to achieve a flawless looking skin with only 3 skincare products. If you want to know how I do it, stay tuned. I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers. How do you achieve a flawless looking skin, right? I think the very first thing you need to do, are you ready? To define what is a flawless looking skin to you. Everyone's definition is slightly different. For example, some people may say, I have a breakout on my face. I just want it to be cleared out so I have flawless looking skin. Or some people may say, I have a rough texture. When I wear a makeup just sit on top of my skin. I can see every single pores on there. More makeup I wear, more pores I see. So I want that to disappear, right? Or you simply say, overall, I just look really dull. My skin's a lack of radiance, uneven. So flawless meaning that even skin tone. You need to identify what is mean to you by flawless looking skin. Then you can find product to address that. That's number 1. Okay. And number 2, you need to define what is your skin condition. Do you have a dry skin condition, oily skin, normal skin, or sensitive skin? So, and the reason why you need to define that is that all the skincare really designed for specific skin conditions. There are products out there designed for just about every skin condition, but not all of them. So you need to know what is your skin condition first. Then you can choose a product really gonna work for your skin. And everybody know what's normal, what is dry skin, what's oily skin. I want to talk about sensitive skin just a little bit. What defines sensitive? It really means that when you apply skincare on your skin, instantly your skin flame up. You get itchy, you get burning, you get swollen. That is sensitive. If you put skincare on, you feel little tingling sensations. Congratulations! That means the product is actually working. What you're paying for is doing something for your skin, so it's okay. As long as the feeling goes well within a minute, it doesn't get any more intense, you will be fine. If you get a little breakout from the skincare you're using, it doesn't mean you have a sensitive skin. It's just the product could be help your skin to detoxify, move everything beneath and coming out. That could be the reason why. So that's also very good too. So don't be worried that when you put in a skincare, you feel a little tingling sensation, or you feel a little something, or you see a little breakout after a couple of days. That's all very good. It's not a bad thing. So just want to make sure you know that. So many clients told me in the past, oh, I tried this, made me break out in 2 days. I'm allergic to it. You are not allergic to it. That is very normal, you know. I mean, you spend a lot of money, you want to see some action on the skin, right? So once you can do all those things here, then you can find the product addressed to you. So now I want to focus on myself. To me, flawless looking skin is that I know I'm going to get wrinkle. I have wrinkle already. I know I'm going to have a large pores because of my breakout. I have an acne scar. I know those things will not go away, but overall I want my skin to be more softer, smoother, and when I apply a little makeup, my skin can instantly look flawless. So that's important to me. And I want to make sure my skin constantly exfoliating naturally, so the treatment will go in deeper, get better results. So that's my concern, what I want to see. Now I want to show you 3 products that help me to achieve this ideal looking skin. Exfoliating cleanser, super power duo to polish off all the roughness on surface of the skin, protect your skin. Then we're using the super power duo moisturizer, the multitasking moisturizer, to seal and hydrate the skin. So the first product I recently discovered on my other video is the INKEY List. I got this from Sephora. First time I got it, I'm going to try to put a video link below. was a couple weeks ago. I discovered this. It is really budget friendly. You're looking about like $10–15 for each item. So this one is called the Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Help reduce blackhead and breakout. So who is this for? If you have a blackhead, if you break out, this is really great for that. So the texture of this is like a gel. I'm going to show you and it foams out ladder with decent foam on the skin, and it's a really good cleanser. I mean, there's not a lot of crazy ingredient in there. It's just simple cleanser. It keeps my skin good. Salicylic acid is really good to gently exfoliate the skin. Large amount. Okay, so now after I wash my face, my new thing is, being a business owner, I'm so busy all the time. I used to do like a 10-step skincare. I don't have that kind of time now. I just want to get everything done in 60 seconds. The best 60-second skincare experience. That's what I want to bring you right now. The best 60 seconds. So you wash your face, probably take it about 30 seconds, right? Now you have another 30 seconds. So I'm using my brand new hero product. I call the Superpower Duo from Yibu Beauty. It is the multitasking serum and multitasking moisturizer. So what is so unique about this serum? Besides the ingredient, it is the texture. When you look at this, let me get closer. It comes out like water, okay? It almost like a toner, but it's not, because this packs with a really powerful ingredient in there. What this product gonna help you is gonna help it gently exfoliate. The number one ingredient in this serum is a carrot root extra. Carrot roots contain a lot of good vitamin A and vitamin E. It's a nutrient that your skin needs, kind of like a food for the skin. So this will give you all the nutrient. And then this also packed with, are you ready? Rice extra. Rice extra is basically like, you think about invisible shield, like Captain America, they have a shield, right? This will protect your skin from environmental damage. And then the hero ingredient is actually lactic acid. Lactic acid is being used in a lot of companies right now, like my favorite brand, Sunday Riley. They use lactic acid to good genes, but our lactic acid is extracted from the plant extract. So it's not from the milk. We are vegan skincare, and this will help to really polish off your skin, surface of that skin gently. But I also know that anytime you use any kind of acid for the skin, you have a risk cause dehydrations or make your skin slightly sensitive. So we added, are you ready? Ginseng extra. Ginseng is anti-inflammatory. So think about, when you're putting our serum on the skin, first let absorb quickly because the texture. Then we give you the vitamin you need for your skin, vitamin A and vitamin E. Then we give you the rice extra to protect everything outside. Then we'll go inside the skin, do the work, polish out everything. Then we'll finish with a ginseng. So give you anti-inflammatory. So you will not have that, irritation for the skin. How amazing that is. Seriously, all you really need is 15 seconds. Now, you have another 15 seconds left. What are you gonna do? You wanna put on my multitasking moisturizer. This is so amazing. This designed to work with this serum, because here we are doing all the dirty work, polish out, polish everything on the surface, and now this going there to seal everything overnight. So this way your skin can really repair while you sleep. So now let me tell you why this is so good. So first ingredient we're using is a red algae extra. Algae is a very expensive ingredient, seriously. It's really focused on reduce visible fine lines and wrinkle. So there's a little anti-aging benefit in there. And we're using hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, people don't really know exactly what that is. It's a very simple ingredient. Basically, the minute you put hyaluronic acid on the skin, immediately they will seal the hydration what's beneath there. And anything you put on top, it will hold on to it, and to be make it 10 times stronger, more hydrated. So it's like a hydrating shield for the skin. So we have a hyaluronic acid in here. I do want to tell you guys this though. I hear a lot of people say I use coconut oil all the time from the drugstore. Nothing wrong with that, but you need to be careful amount of it you're using, because if you use the pure coconut oil directly on the skin, on the face, sometimes they are so rich it can clog the pores. So everything is about balance. Just like cooking, you need to have the right ingredient, but if you use one solo ingredient too much, then you can have a different effects. For example, salt. Salt is really, it's a number one ingredient for cooking, but if you put too much, what happens? Too salty. So same thing for skincare. Even though it's coconut oil, but there's a right balance amount in here, so you will not clog the pores on your skin. That's very important. The texture of it is very velvety, very smooth, and then it can absorb the skin pretty quickly. So I use two pump. That's all you really need. Don't need to use more than that. So that's all I did. 3 products.